Hello, everyone. My name is Caleb Sanders with ProSymmetry, and today I want to discuss how to create alerts in Insight Plus reporting. To start, I'm going to click the Insight Plus tile on the Tempus home screen and find a card on which I have a reportable metric that I want to configure some threshold or barrier around to notify me of a certain change or value. So for example, I can navigate to my dashboard creation dashboard using the navigation panel here. This is a dashboard that I have access to and can see the cards on. And I'm going to use the funnel here as the demonstration for this alert. I'll start by either clicking the title of the card, going into details with the wrench, or by pressing Alert Me here. And they'll all funnel me to the card details window. Within this window, we can see the card more expanded with some additional details about the card. But what I want to focus on is this bell icon for See Alerts. And when I press New Alert for this particular card, we enter a three-step process to configure and create the threshold and who to notify for this particular alert. I'll start by giving this a name, and we'll call this Exceeds 5 million. Firstly, I choose a metric on which I want to be alerted, a metric who will house data that says, once we exceed this limit, notify me. If we have greater than this limit, notify me. And I choose a metric from a few different statistical calculations or attributes within this particular chart. I'm going to use the summary number that we've already established here, this 10 million sum of estimated total cost. We can choose a variety of different options to determine when the alert fires. For example, if I want it to have greater than 5 million, I could configure it like so and tell it when I want it to fire. So for example, I could say every single day at 5 UTC. Send me this alert if the summary number exceeds 5 million. Step 2 is just to press this next button and tailor a message around this card. We have a few additional items we can bring in, for example, the alert name, the card name, as well as the full rule. So previewed on the left here, sum of estimated total cost is greater than 5 million. I can press next and now subscribe people to this alert. So I'll start with myself, craft an additional message if I so choose, and save. And we can see the alert has been created, and as it continues to fire in the future, we will see those historical firings here within the alert window. And to get back to this spot, all I have to do is come back to my card, again by clicking the title, details, or alert me, clicking the bell, and we can see our exceeds 5 million alert here, which I can select and see some details on. Furthermore, I can add additional users using the share button, or if they have elevated permissions and can see this card, they may be able to subscribe to the alert themselves. If you have any questions about the alerting process, please feel free to reach out at support@prosymmetry.com and have a great day.